Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Stray Kids Karma albums. These are the signed ones I bought a month ago and they just shipped out because the album was released on the 22nd. So yeah, I have already opened these. I was way too excited, and let me tell you, this was exhilarating. This was my first comeback for Stray Kids. Actually, I think for any band or K-pop band that I've gotten into. This is my first one, and yeah, I am going to try to do OT8 because this is fun. This is exhilarating. It's very expensive, but I am willing to do it. I'm going to open this white one first. This is the Hooray version. They have Hooray, Ceremony, Karma, accordions, digital ones. I will show you some accordions because I bought a couple from Walmart. And then I did buy a couple of these versions. These are the signed ones. But the non-signed ones I bought from Walmart because they have Walmart exclusives. And I was really excited. I already put the photo cards away for those, so I will get my binder out and show you the photo cards. But this one, first, my bias is Han, and then my second is Hunjin. Okay, Hunjin, Yunjin, I don't know, people say it both ways. I'm not really sure. I'm just gonna say Hunjin. So, when I opened this, I was so freaking, I can't even talk. I was so excited because this is Han's signature. This is Han. This is Han. I saw this. I sent a picture immediately to my sister, and I was like, oh my god. Han. This is, yeah. I'm framing this. That is so cool. And then you get these. I think you get this in any of the Hooray version. I'm not really sure what type of photos these are. I'm just gonna call them bookmark photos. Chan, Lino, Binny, Hunjin, Han, Felix, Sungmin, IN. Oh my god, they're all so stunning. Look at them. Ooh. And then I think they all come with these photos too. But I'm not sure what I want to do with these photos yet. There's Bing Chan, IN, Binny, Hunjin, Han. Okay, this is a really nice picture of Felix. I love this. He is an angel. He looks like an angel. Sungmin, IN. What are you doing? So that was Lino. The one I thought was, oh, that's Lino. My bad. Lino. And then they all come with a book. But let's look at the CD first. This is what the CD looks like. Ooh, shiny. Oh, that is nice. I know I'm looking at it backwards, but it's just easier. That is such a good song. The 0801, that is good. I had to back up a little bit. It was stressing me out. Like it was too close. Ooh. Oh, Bing Chan. These are stunning photos. This is my first comeback, and I have to say, this was, ooh, stickers. Oh, these are cool. I don't know, what do you guys do with your stickers? Because, like, I don't want to destroy them. Like, I don't want to put them somewhere and then maybe I'll just keep them. I like that. I'm going to put this on my wall. I like that. Okay. Let's find what everyone is waiting for. Oh, okay, I already knew I got this, but every time I see it, it's just really cool. Like, Felix. I like when they do the photo cards like this. That is so cool. I love that. I'm going to set him aside and put him right there. I'm going to put this back in here for now so I don't lose it. That is really cool. Okay, Han is my bias. And I'm telling you, when I opened it, like, this was exhilarating. Like, I don't have words, honestly. This is probably one of the best experiences of my life. Now, before I open this, just know that my sister's bias is Bang Chan, and her second is Binny. Okay, I got Binny. That is his signature. That is freaking cool. Like, every time I look at it, I'm like, oh my god. Like, you can, yeah, this is really cool. I think his signature is so unique. Like, it's cute. Like, that is so cute. And then with the ceremony version, you get all of these. Like, more bookmark looking ones. Bang Chan, Lino, Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, Felix. Sungmin, he's like smoldering in this picture. I can't handle it. And then IN. That's insane. Then more pictures in here. Ooh. Bang Chan. Lino. Changbin. Hyunjin. Felix. And I really like how, like, right now you'll see videos like he has blonde hair. But like when they started all this, like he had the black hair. It goes back and forth. Look at his brows. They're combed so nicely. Anyway. IN. I should have opened this up like on camera with you guys, but I was so excited. You have no idea. I do have Barnes & Noble exclusives coming. So I think what I'm going to do is unbox those on camera because I won't know what the photo cards are. This one, I was just so excited. I could not wait. I'm telling you, I couldn't wait. This is what the CD looks like. It's blue. Oh, that is so cool. And then this is what the book looks like. I'm not going to go through all of it. Oh, Bang Chan. Like, stunning. Okay, so, like I said, my sister's bias is Bang Chan and her second is Binny. So I got Binny, you know, signed. And then this Bang Chan card is like, this is like gold right now. Because it's the, yeah, it's his waist one. I am not giving this up. I'm sorry, I am not giving this up. This is mine. This is mine. I'm not giving that. No. I didn't look at the stickers though. Then you get this. And you have these stickers. Which, my sister also has that tattoo, which is really funny. Again, I don't know what to do with the stickers. I don't know. This was exhilarating, like, oh. That is so cool. So those are my signed albums, and these are the 2 photo cards that I got with my signed albums. Now, if you buy from like Walmart, Barnes & Noble, or Target, it's like an exclusive, so you get like another photo card. So let me show you something. It is pouring outside, so if you hear the rain, I'm really sorry. But anyway, I went to Walmart. I went to 2 different Walmarts because at the first Walmart, I found this accordion. This is the Changbin one. Changbin. I don't know what I'm saying. Changbin. So the accordion versions are really cool. Hold on, let me take this out real quick. So the accordion versions are like this. Flip it over and it has like more pictures. I think I'm gonna like take this out and put it on my wall. I don't know though. So this is what came in it. I got 1 photo card, 2 photo cards actually, but it came with the Sungmin stickers. And then here is Lino. I love his photos. He's so beautiful. And then that is the same, I think, in every accordion. Yeah. Yeah, and then I got the Felix stickers, which was really cool. Look at them. I like these. I like these stickers. I think they're really cool. Are they stickers? Or is it just a picture? I think it's just a picture. I don't know why I thought they were stickers. I heard other people calling them stickers too. I'm gonna have to frame these. They're really cool. And these are the ones I got from Walmart. So those are the same like contents as the signed ones I just showed you. And then I got 2 of these. This is the Karma version. I think this one was limited edition, but I got it at Walmart, so I don't know. I don't think anything was really different than if you buy it online. Yeah, I feel like it's probably the same if you buy it online. I'll have to buy one online and see, I guess. But anyway, look at that picture. That is so cool. Let me back you up a little bit. That is so cool. Oh yeah, because like it comes with these cool little wrist bands like you're going to a concert. I thought that was really cute. Has that same photo. This poster is awesome. I actually didn't even look at this. That is so cool. Aw, Han's arm. And then a book with their pictures. He is an angel also. Look at him. He is an angel. Sungmin, so they give you like bigger pictures. So you're Sungmin. Felix. What in the world? Han. Sorry about the glare. I have like a light up here. Oh, Hunjin. I love the whole Cruella de Vil thing going on here. I don't think that's what they were going for, but it's really funny. Changbin. Lino. Bang Chan. Those contacts he has in. Oh my god. Anyway, and here is the CD. Oh, I almost forgot. These also come in the Karma one that I just showed. They're little sleeves. Because you get like other cards. So these are my old cards from the old albums, which I'm not gonna do OT8. Here we go. Oh, on. Okay, I had to pick up my phone for this. So these 2 are from the Walmart exclusive. My sister told me that they have never done a Lino and Han unit card. So this is like, I saw this on Mercari for like $300. I'm not selling mine. I am keeping mine. And then I have Hunjin and Bang Chan. And then you'll see like the other cards. But I pulled a Hunjin and a Sungmin, which Bang Chan is part of this one. So I'm going to put him down here. And then look, like the bags. That is just really cool to me. And then I pulled Changbin and Lino, which they also have, I think, the backs, but right now I have it covered up. Yeah, because they were like falling out, so I had to put the other cards. I think these are so cute. So I can't remember if it was the Karma album that came with these, but I put these in the back so that the other cards wouldn't fall out, to like make it tighter. Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. Please don't fall. Actually, I think Felix was part of that, so I have to go back and put Felix in there. Or maybe Felix was part of this. I don't know. I have a template I just have to look at. So Hunjin and Binny. And then the same things. And then I pulled a Felix. He looks so sad. Called Sad Felix. And then a Binny. And I think this was from the Karma one. Yeah, so I have some duplicates, but I'm just waiting to see what my sister has and trade with her. And if I can't trade with her, I'll trade with somebody else. I know she already has that one. Actually, wait. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, so she already has that one. So I have to find somebody else to trade with because I am doing OT8. Okay, so I have Felix put away. He goes with those 2. I am so impressed. I don't know. This comeback, this was amazing. Quick overview of my shelves. Stray Kids, ATEEZ, and then I have Twice down there. It's coming along. I want to put everything on these walls. So I have some stuff, but yeah. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.